Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Mandrake Seed and grow a garden new berry update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that the berry update has just dropped, and of course the seed and also the pad from the previous update have been removed. But don't worry guys, because you can still get this Mandrake Seed from the previous update in this update. If you want to get the Mandrake Seed, you can go to the crafting table and then you can select recipe here, and then you can choose the Mandrake. Just click on the craft, and then if you want to craft the Mandrake Seed, you will need carrot seed, beanstalk, and also the common egg. Okay, and now let's start to craft the Mandrake Seed. I'm going to click on craft, and then I'm going to submit my carrot seed. Okay, select the carrot and submit item, and we need beanstalk as well. I'm going to search for beanstalk. I'm going to submit this beanstalk, submit item, and then we'll need common egg. Let's search the common egg. Okay, and submit item, and then we can start crafting. It doesn't need shekels. You only need 3 items, which are carrot seed, beanstalk, and also common egg. Okay, and you need to wait for about 5 minutes to get the Mandrake Seed, and you will get 3 Mandrake Seed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Mandrake Seeds and grow a garden new berry update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!